How to get rid of forgetfulness. An acquaintance of mine used to forget and argue about things very often because he couldn't remember important facts or events. The situation was so unbearable that I decided to put turmeric in every food I cooked, every salad I made, and even in ice cream. I used to let the ice cream melt a little and then mix turmeric in the melted ice cream and then pour this mixture over the rest of the ice cream that didn't melt and put it back in the freezer. I mixed it also with butter and thickened my sauces with it instead of using tomato sauce. Turmeric is a spice that has a lot of medicinal properties. It is anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, it is antioxidant, it fights free radicals, improves memory, fights cancer, improves skin conditions, arthritis, anxiety, and more. One of its properties, according to research, is that it may help the immune system clear something in the brain called amyloid beta. This amyloid beta forms plaques in the brain that is believed to cause Alzheimer's disease. Thanks to this knowledge, I gave this person for 3 months food with turmeric, and after the 3 months, he no longer was forgetful. You can make turmeric work faster by adding ginger and pepper of any kind to it. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.